So this is ready for that. For 3, okay. Then this is sheared off for here. Level for the speed bag. Okay, we got that piece. Okay, it's okay, yes. What's up? We're getting the base welded. Okay. That's a full weld right there. It's just hot, but it's a full weld. Let me see. About 3 more inches down. 3 más. We're spot welding that spring, that way we can replace it later. And that's enough. 4 spot welds, top bottom. We put a threaded coupling on the top, and we put the rebar on the torno machine. So it was right where it slid in that shock, yeah, that spring. So it's good. I think it's even. We're good to go. So the higher the spring is, the more of an erratic bounce you're gonna get on the speed ball. Yeah, and it's supposed to be like waist level, kind of to mimic your opponent. When he's moving at the waist, you're moving. When he's bobbing and weaving, you're bobbing and weaving too. And then you can counter his ass, right? You can even draw a little face on the cobra bag. Mind you, this was a speed bag, but I cut it and I flipped it upside down and rigged it up. Here we go. Hey, that's already super solid, but I'm gonna put a bucket, I'm gonna cut the base, and I'm gonna put a little cement. I don't know, about 8 inches up to cover those rebars that we got on the cross frame. Making a little cross frame.